Hello everyone and welcome to my studio. Today we're gonna paint this beautiful cat and it's in a very big size. It's A2. The first step is that I will wet the whole painting carefully and adding blue ultramarine, which is my favorite color for the shadow part. As the paper is still very wet, I really just keep adding the color whenever I see is the shadow part of the cat. And this step also helps to create the form and the shape of the cat, which is very important. The paper is still relatively wet, therefore I add yellow ochre as the base layer of the cat. As you might see that the yellow ochre is a bit, how to say, and I just keep adding yellow ochre to where I see the yellow-ish in the cat. This step, very important, is to dry the painting completely. It takes me about 5 minutes to do so be patient. When it's completely dry, I add water for the next layer. I use burnt sienna and identify these, you call it the fur pattern of the cat around area that I see. After mapping out roughly the body of the cat, I started to focus on the face of the cat and continue with burnt sienna, adding almost the darkest dark of the cat. The cat face is pretty bright and doesn't have so much, I'd say, dark fur, so I start with this color first. Slowly adding on yellow ochre next to the burnt sienna. When the base layer is dry, I adding burnt sienna and a touch of blue ultramarine to have a much deeper and darker orange, and add it to the area that I find it relevant. I darken the shadow of the cat, so when I see the cat, the shadow in the fur, I add more of this bluish gray, and with the shadows on the floor, I add more blue ultramarine and black ivory on it. Now at this step, I started to continue to tackle the face of the cat, and I think it's just much easier to bring the iPad closer. I went the whole face and started to drop in light color around the face. So here you see I add even darker shade on the right side of the nose, just because on the photos, photo reference is not very clear. The shadow is not very clear, or the shape of the face is not so clear. So therefore, I add a bit deeper, darker shadow on the right side of the nose. Continues in with the ears, lots of negative painting here. So just take my time and go strings by strings.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
part of the cat is actually painting the eyes. So first I add more like orange color to the eyes closer to the floor, and lighter orange yellow to the upper eyes. I just feel like there's more dark and darker shade of the right eye and then the left eye. And always I adjust the eyes and the fur around it. I don't paint them separately because it needs connections. Otherwise it's going to be copy paste eyes on the cat, which we don't want that. So sometimes I go back and forth between the eyes and the nose, and because I was waiting for the eyes area to dry. After this is probably the end of the session 1, and now session 2 will be nighttime. I just re-wet the body and adding a stronger fur pattern of the cat, and yeah, nothing. I would say very satisfying to do this. Beginning with very dry and light consistency and slowly build up. That's how we can have a very soft fur of the cat, and also lots of layers, and make it very interesting. After having the base layer of the fur in place, I adding a darker shades of the fur, again using burnt sienna and blue ultramarine, and follow these fur patterns in the cat.
깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 잊어버려. 우린 함께야. 네 모습이 보여. Well, everything 보여. Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 나 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere.
This is almost the end of the painting, and one more time I forget to press record for the background of the cat. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this tutorial on this painting process, and I hope that this video is useful, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.